Hi, I'm Ray from Garage Hive, Managing Director of this company. We do automotive solutions in the automotive aftermarket, and we operate in the UK, Ireland. We started in South Africa, and we are exploring other countries at the moment. As a company, as an ISV, we felt lack of support in the area of licensing and also in the area of technical, because we do develop a lot of software in-house, and basically we found Companial as a very trusted partner that can fill the gap for us. We are a CSP, indirect CSP reseller. We also use learning journeys. We've been part of the Partner Accelerator program, which I really like and can recommend. And we are thinking of other areas we could collaborate. So the main reason was we wanted to get this partner designation with Microsoft. And to achieve that, we had to do the skilling. So basically, our employees needed to pass the exams. So I always knew about the exams, but there wasn't any reason to do them because we thought we are smart enough and we don't need that. However, after the assessment of our knowledge, we realized that actually we are not. There are a lot of things we don't know that much about, and then learning journeys basically made our knowledge more complete. And also, I have to comment that the quality of the materials is very, very good. So it's very high standards, which you can't find that easily elsewhere. There are other companies who offer licenses, but I think only Companial has this deep integration into the Microsoft ecosystem, specifically Business Central. So if you are a Business Central based partner or Business Central focused partner, I think Companial is the must-go because you can really add this additive value to the offering. So it's like an endless list of opportunities for us as a partner.